Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing some conversions between fractions and percentages. So I'm going to do this without a calculator. So here we've got 37.5% as a fraction, and then they want you to simplify. So I'm going to do a similar one and let you have a go at doing this one on your own. So the one I'm going to do is 38.5% as a fraction. So percent means out of 100. So it means that you can write this as a fraction instantly over 100. Yeah. So I have 38.5 over 100. Okay. Now we don't have decimals in our fractions, so we need to multiply top and bottom by 10 to get rid of this decimal. So then we have 385 over 1,000. Okay, so it wants us to cancel it down. So we know that anything ending in a 5 or a 0 is in the 5 times table. So we can do 385 divided by 5, and we end up with 77. We can do it as a bus stop. Okay, I'll show you. Look, 5s into 3, 8 5s. 5s into 3 doesn't go, give 3. 5s into 38, well that's 35, so that's 7, remainder 3, and then 5s into 35 is 7. So that's how I got 77. And then you can do a similar thing to divide this, and you end up with 200. Now, if I could divide these again by 2 or 3 or whatever, then I would go any further, but I actually don't think, because the only things that go into 77 are 7 and 11. So that is as far as we can go with that one there. Okay then. So you can have a go at question 11. Right, let me show you another question where you've got to order fractions and percentages. Okay, so here we're putting these largest to biggest. So these percentages are already there, and it's easy to see the larger percentage. Yeah, this one is larger than this one. Whereas with fractions, the denominators have got to be the same to see them. So I think we change these fractions into decimals and then percentages to then see which one's the largest. So I'm going to do a similar one. Here are my numbers. So I've got 5 over 8. I've got 32%. Another percentage, I've got 43.6%. Then I've got 2/3, and then I've got 7/15. Okay then. So as I said, these ones here, I can see that this one is bigger than this one. So this is going to go earlier in the list than this one. So I'm going to change these by using division and then multiply it by 100 to turn it into percentage, so I can convert. So let's do a division. So we've got 8 into 5, put the decimals down. 8 into 5 doesn't go, give the 5 to make 50. 8 into 50 goes 6 times, remainder 2. Okay, 8 into 20, might have to extend this, 8 into 20 goes 2 times. There'll be another remainder, so I'll put a 0 down, and the remainder is 4. And then 8 into 40 goes exactly 5 times. So that's my decimal. I'm going to multiply that by 100, which gives me 62.5%. Okay. Right, so those two are already in percentages. This one here, so you may already know this, but I'll show you how to turn it. So 3s into 2. So 3s into 2 doesn't go. Give the 2 to make 20. 3s into 20 goes 6 times, remainder 2, and it goes on and on and on. So this is one of those 0-point recurring numbers. Okay, so I times that by 100, I get 66.6%, and I put a dot over it so it goes on forever. Okay, my last one I'm converting here is how many 15s go into 7. Decimals down. So 15 into 7 doesn't go. 15's into 70, so we've got 15, 30, 45, and then 60. So that's 4 times. And there's 10 left over, so I'm going to give 10 to make 100. and then 15's into 100 goes 6 times. That's 90. So I'll put another 0 down, so I've got 10 left over. So you can see what's happening here is going to always be 6, okay? So if I times that by 100, I get 46.6 recurring percent. Okay then, so I'm going to attempt now to write these in order, looking at my percentages, okay, but only writing down the numbers that I've given in the list. So which is the smallest? It would be this 32%. So I'll write that first. So I'll cross it out. Then I've got, this is 60, this is 40, right, it's this one here, because this is 43.6 and this is 46.6. Okay, so this one is my next one, percent, cross it out. And then this one is the next one, but I'm going to write fraction, which is 7/15. Okay, and then I'm left with this one here, which is 62.5. This is bigger, 66.6. So I'm going to write 5/8. And then I'm finally left with 2/3. Okay, I hope that's helpful. You can now have a go at the blue ones, see if you can put them in order. Good luck. Bye.